The sun came out today. The sun came out today. Look at it, man. Ah, this is wonderful. Now, it's a good time to prepare my stuff and go out. Can't believe it. We are seeing the sun. Let me show you something. Alright, let's put the excitement away, and this is just a little update, and of course it's the post-flight analysis and some changes that I'm gonna do on my Skywalker V5. Alright, we flew it yesterday. It was good. So X8 wing, I have ordered the propellers and everything. Once the propellers arrive, then I will know which motor I'm putting it in. So this one is going to wait for a while, and of course I will post the complete setup videos on how I'm doing it. I'm also waiting for the CG. So let's pick up this Skywalker V5 and talk about it. Alright, so first thing I did, I was having trouble getting the GPS signals inside here, so yes, I had to finally bring the GPS out. So GPS antenna stays outside on the wing. Alright, then the Hornet OSD is staying here, and I had to do a little change. That is how to explain, let me see. So if we look at this cable, this one with black and white coming in. So in my previous video, when we were setting it up with FY31AP, I posted that one of these cables were, like, white was on the third connector. So I was not having GPS or no GPS connected or no OSD shown with the Hornet OSD. So what I did here was, of course, the white was on pin 4, which is the receiver for GPS RX, okay, and then as you can see, this one coming in here as well. So what I had to do was similarly put one of the pin outwards on UART, which is the transmitter port for the GPS. Only after that it actually worked. So it was a little tweaking that I did. And we tested the FY31AP on flight, and it was simply awesome, as you have seen the video on my channel. Now the modifications that I'm gonna do, and before that, check it out, my landing gear. It is sweet. It works simply great. So I just had this old Cessna wheels, a very small Cessna, and I just hot glued it. One here and one on the other side. Alright, and it just simply works really sweet, takes off very nice. Okay, now the problems that I was having was if I mount the GoPro or Replay XD here, I can't see anything with my camera. And if I mount, because the camera was here, so what I did yesterday, put a Replay XD here and camera here and flew it for 4 kilometers, but I did not have very good video on Replay XD, unfortunately. I hate it. I really hate Replay XD. So I'm getting back to my GoPro. Replay XD is good for shooting bike videos, driving videos, but GoPro is really good. So my plan is to move this one forward here to the nose, that's the FPV camera, and put the GoPro here. So the GoPro can actually look down and get a very good view. I will try to cut here a little bit more, so I put this servo very deep here, and the camera will not be much blocking the view of GoPro HD. So rest of the things are very sweet. I am going to prepare today's, yay, sunny day. I'm going to prepare it now, and then I'm heading out to do another good flight. Now my old Skywalker, this old bird is very faithful, and it has flown long, good flights. And it is still capable of doing really good flights with FY21AP system. This has a very good autopilot as well. What am I gonna do with this Skywalker with long-range FPV and everything perfectly set up? Should I sell it in my garage sale as a complete system, ready to fly, like receiver ready? Of course, I will provide the chain link receiver. So chain link ready, and FPV system, motor, everything, FY21AP, everything installed perfectly, no tweaking needed. Nah, I decided not to do that. I will keep this bird with me. What I will do is I'll take the FPV system out and mount it on my T580P Plus and do some quadcopter aerial photography and quadcopter FPV, because later I will surely need one long-range FPV system for my X8 aircraft. So I'm keeping it, and this Skywalker might come handy later. I have an idea that I will stand on the cliff. You know, there's a cliff near the gymnasium, and I will be really high, and then I will fly it around gymnasium area above our new apartment areas, and maybe till here where we are living, and I will also try to fly it under the roofs of the gymnasium and do some challenge flights. So hope everything goes right today. It won't be a long-range flight, but it will be a good flight. Wish me luck.